Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Michael the Trash God, and I'm going to attempt a quickie. Today, I'm really going to do a quickie. It's just going to be one video. So, I'm looking here at Reddit's I'm the Main Character thread, and let's see what I got here. This one's titled, Some People Just Need Everyone to Know They Exist. And to start off with, we see a young man. Looks like he's downtown maybe with a lawnmower in the middle of the night. Uh-oh. Hey buddy, if you're gonna mow the dining room, at least get everything, okay? You missed the spot over there. He's not even gonna finish the job. What a lazy bum. So, man, this generation pranks are just so annoying. Hey, I'm laughing though, aren't I? So, I mean, it's kind of funny. No one really got hurt with this one. It was just kind of obnoxious. I guess Butthead is filming because this guy has a stronger than necessary resemblance to Beavis from Beavis and Butthead, I have to say. That was weirded oddly. So it didn't sound like Butthead giggling, but that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna watch the one video. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? Okay. So thanks for watching, and check back daily, maybe. We're gonna start doing more videos here on The Real Trash King. Peace.